Hi everyone, welcome you all to my Winnie's Talk. And here I am Vinita. Today we are here to look about the rare Theyyam in Kannur district called Mudala Theyyam or Crocodile Theyyam. Theyyam is a popular ritual art form of Malabar. The Theyyam dance is performed in front of the village shrine, groves and in the house of ancestors' worship. Theyyam period is from the 10th of Malayalam month, that is Tula Masam, during October or November, and it comes to an end by June. Man assumes the form of God and dances in front of everyone. God assures prosperity and peace to the society and is the belief behind the Theyyam performance. The performers of Theyyam belong to communities like Vannan, Malayan, Mavilan and others. Theyyam performance are followed many rituals. Initially, the performer is given an intimation and later the date of performance is fixed and the performer or Kolakaran is informed to participate. Crocodile Theyyam is a Theyyam that is performed only in some kavus in Kannur district. Crocodile Theyyam is performed by goddesses Trippandathara Amma. Theyyam crawls around the temple like a crocodile and gives blessings to the devotees while crawling. Unlike other Theyyams, this Theyyam does not utter any words. This Theyyam is performed after the 10th day of the lunar month. This Theyyam is celebrated in November at the Pothukundu Veerabhadra temple in the middle. The only features of the Theyyam is the method of defeating it with the accompaniment of a leaf rhythm during the construction. It is believed that it is enough to call on the crocodile god to get rid of the reptile nuisance. The scroll on the head depicts reptiles such as scorpions, lizards, snakes and tortoise. The dress is made of courgette instead of corrugated iron. The face of the Theyyam has round eyes, the head is reddish and the hair is red. Legend that when the priest who was performing the daily puja at the Trippandathara temple did not come, the crocodile brought our Adikodayan, who was fishing in the river, to the temple and kept the puja going. It is believed that the crocodile comes from Trippandathara Amma. The Brahmin who arrived late for the puja was expelled. The Theyyam is built by the Mavilan community. But there is another interpretation like this. It is said that the goddesses took the crocodile in the form of a crocodile and brought her out of the river. The Theyyam is said to bless the devotees with their necks outstretched and their eyes closed. Pothukundu Theyyam will perform on 25th night and it ends on 26th October. From Kannur, you have to reach Pothukundu by reaching the middle via Taliparamba. From Kannur, it is 41 km away. You can also reach this place from Kannur Airport via Srikandapuram. These pictures captured by one of the best photographer called Saju Naduvil. And thank you so much for sharing the best pictures with me. I'm thanking each and everyone for watching my videos and thanks for keep supporting me at every time. Bye all.